How to fix a noisy and leaking toilet. Alright, so this toilet is leaking right here at the bolt. Plus it's noisy. Alright, here's the 2 bolts. It's coming out of this one here. But first, turn off your main water supply. Flush it to drain all the water out of the tank.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it is leaking from this
It's
bolt.
leaking.
You can see the water coming down. And this one too.
Okay.
Alright, so you want to get all the water out. So I'm using a wet dry vac. You could even use a sponge or towels. Now the water inside the tank is clean. It comes directly from your home's main water supply. And the brown on the inside here is mostly iron that's in the water, staining it. But to be safe, I would have some of these bleach wipes and just clean everything with this, just in case there's no sewage in here. And also, don't forget to wear gloves. Alright, so unscrew and remove the water supply connector. You want to turn it to the left. And then you're going to remove the bolts from the bottom underneath. Unscrew those. Okay, so you're going to lift the tank up off the toilet bowl, and you can clean this underneath if there's any stuff on it, and then wipe it with the Clorox bleach wipe. Now you need WD-40. If you don't have it, it's okay, but this helps with getting the bolts off. These were a little hard to get off. So I used tongue and groove slip joint plier and a wrench. You want the pliers to hold the bolt still as you're turning the hex nut off. Here's the old bolts. So I would clean all this off, even the back of the tank, which I forgot to do. So you want to measure your flush valve. They're basically, standard's 2 inches, and this is what you need. 2-inch tank to bowl set, and it's a rubber gasket. And they have 3 bolts when you only need 2. And then here's the other part. This helps with the noisy toilets. It's a fill valve with 2-inch flapper. So here's the flapper and the chain. So you want to take off the chain, and it's kind of like a safety pin. Just kind of squeeze and pull it right off. Now take off the lock nut, twist it to the left, and then pull out the old fill valve. The yellow tube, that's the overflow tube that stays in there. Alright, so you want to take the old gasket out. Clean that all up. And then put on the new rubber gasket. And put that on top of the toilet bowl. I have my sister here helping me out, but You could do this as a one-person job. It's very easy. Okay, so for the bolts, you're going to add the rubber washer onto the bolt. And you're going to slide them inside the tank in the hole. And then slide another rubber washer, then a metal washer, then the hex nut. You're going to hand tighten these. You don't want it too tight because you don't want to crack the porcelain toilet. Use a wrench maybe and tighten it a little bit, but you have to hold the top part still with the screwdriver. You want them even. So you're going to attach the refill tube to the fill valve. And it fits right in the tank in the hole. And this is the refill clip. And this goes right over the overflow pipe, this yellow pipe here. Then attach the refill tube to the clip. Then you're going to screw on the lock nut to the right. Tighten it. Attach the water supply line. Turn that to the right, tighten it. You don't want to use a tool, you want to just hand tighten it. So here's the flapper. You want to take off the cardboard piece here. Now this just snaps right into place. And here's the chain. So you're going to attach the chain to the flush lever and put it into the first spot. Now it's too long. Plus this tube here is a little too long. You could have turned it and had it towards the back of the tank. But what I did was I cut some off and then reattached it because you don't want the flush lever to hit it.
Yeah.
Always start with cutting a little bit off. You don't want to go too much. All right, perfect. Okay, now you want the chain. Now I didn't cut any of the metal chain off. I just put it up and drooped it down. So you want it to hang down like the letter J. You want to leave some room so it just hangs like, see the J? All right, let's test this. So turn the water back on. Oops, it's dripping. All right, turn it back off. Hand tighten this. Now it's dripping here. So all you have to do is just tighten this with a wrench and turn it towards the floor. Just a little bit. Mine's a little bit lower than the water line, but it's still working. So you want to test it out, flush it. You want to make sure there's no leaks in the bolts. So the noise is gone. That worked. So now it's dripping right at the bolts here. Alright, so you gotta take that off. Put the screwdriver in at the top and then take your wrench underneath and tighten it. Both sides equally. Now my water supply line right here is a little firm. Yours would probably be a flexible tube. They're more common, they bend easier. Alright, so perfect. There's no leaks, but you want to try and touch each bolt with a dry hand and make sure everything's dry. Alright, perfect. No leaks. That's it. It's so easy. You can do this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.